In front of me is Samsung Galaxy M31s, and let me show you how to activate dial-pad tones on the following device. So at first just open your phone dialer, and as you can hear, currently it is active. If you would like to mute it, just open the settings, find and pick sounds and vibration, go to system sound and vibration, and here you can unmark it by tapping on dialing keypad. So once it is not active, you will not be able to hear any tap of mine. As you can hear, it's no longer active. Obviously you can activate them the same way. So this is it, that will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.